So I wanted to take a second to show you how you can access the textbook. Go ahead and sign into MathXL. When you're working within any problem, a link will come up on the right-hand side. When you click on Question Help, you should be able to click this link that says Textbook. Please make sure your pop-up blocker is disabled. And the textbook section will load. If you wish to print a specific page, you can click Print. Down here is where you can select the following page of the textbook.